Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The topic that we are going to discuss today is nuclear energy. The key points or the areas that we are going to cover in today's video are the definition, introduction, types of the nuclear energy, or what we say that the ways of the nuclear energy, fission energy gained through the fission reaction, fusion energy that we gain through the fusion reaction, and the nuclear power plants, a house that produce nuclear energy. And the next points are covered in the next slide. Further points that we are going to discuss in the nuclear energy are the nuclear reactors that work in a nuclear power plant, and nuclear reactor is defined as a device that is a source of generation of the nuclear energy. And the further that we are discuss are the nuclear energy advantages and disadvantages, and the difference between the nuclear fission and the nuclear fusion energy, some questions related to the topic, and the references that we through which we get the content of the lecture. Here is the history about of nuclear energy. In 1895 to 1945, the concept of the atomic radiation was discovered. Then in the further 1939 to 1945, the development of the atomic bomb was discovered. Then in 1945, the attention was given to harnessing the skills in a controlled fashion or a naval propulsion. Then furthermore, in 1956, the concept about the nuclear energy that gained from the nuclear reaction was discovered. Nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is a powerful source of energy generated during a nuclear reaction by change in the nucleus of an atom. The source of nuclear energy is the mass of the nucleus, and energy generated during a nuclear reaction is due to the conversion of mass into energy. According to the Einstein's theory, E is equal to mc square, that the energy is the combination of the mass into speed of light. Sun is an example of the nuclear energy, that in the sun the nuclear fusion reactions take place. Introduction to nuclear energy is that nuclear power is the use of sustained nuclear fission to generate heat and electricity. Nuclear power plants provide about 5.7% of the world's energy and 13% of the world's electricity. There was 439 nuclear power reactors in operation in the world, operating in 31 countries. Environment of nuclear energy contend that nuclear power is a sustainable energy source that reduces carbon emission. The nuclear energy is free from the carbon emission, means to say that there is free from pollution. Just as many conventional thermal power stations generated electricity by harnessing the thermal energy released from burning fossil fuels, nuclear power plants converts the energy released from the nucleus fission that takes place in the nuclear reactor. The heat is removed from the reactor core by a cooling system that uses the heat to generate steam, which drives a steam turbine connected to a generator producing electricity. Here, the nuclear energy that gained from the nuclear reaction is free from carbon emission, and that is free from the smoke and pollution. There are two ways to obtain nuclear energy, or are two types of the reaction that used to obtain nuclear energy. The first one is a nuclear fission reaction, and the second one is a nuclear fusion reaction. In both these type of reaction, huge amount of the energy is released that used for further purposes. Nuclear fission energy that produced during the nuclear fission reaction. Nuclear fission energy is produced during the nuclear fission reaction. Nuclear fission reaction, the nucleus of a heavy radioactive element like uranium, plutonium, or thorium splits into the smaller nuclei when bombarded by a low energy neutrons. A huge amount of the energy in the form of heat is generated in this process, which is used in nuclear power plants to generate electricity. Here is an example of the nuclear fission reaction in which uranium is bombarded by a neutron. That two fragments are released. The two lighter elements are released in this reaction with a huge amount of the energy and a proton. This proton is further used to split the further more uranium that converts into two lighter elements and release huge amount of the energy. Nuclear fusion energy. Nuclear fission reaction involves the combination or fusion of two light elements to form a heavier element and release uncontrollable energy. Thus, it cannot be used to generate electricity, unlike fission reaction. The heat energy that we get from the sun is all due to the continuous reaction going on inside the sun. We can now imagine how much energy would be released in the nuclear fusion reaction. That is, the sun is the source of the nuclear fusion energy. That the fusion energy we gain from the fusion reactions in which the two smaller nuclei or elements combine together to release nuclear energy, and a new element is formed in this reaction. This is a reaction in which a nuclear fusion reactions take place. The two deuterium molecules combine together to form one helium molecule and one neutron and release in a huge amount of the energy, that is the nuclear energy, in the form of mega electron volts. Production of nuclear energy in a nuclear power plant. In a nuclear reaction, the huge amount of energy is released in a nuclear reactor that used for production of electricity. A nuclear reactor is a device in which nuclear reactions are generated and the chain reaction is controlled to release large amount of steady heat, thereby producing energy. Working of nuclear reactor. Reactors are the heart of a nuclear power plant. They contain and control nuclear chain reaction that produce heat through a physical process called fission reaction. That heat is used to make steam that spins a turbine to create electricity, or a generation of electricity is done through this process. Generation of nuclear energy. The principle of the nuclear reactor is that the nuclear reactors are used to generate huge amount of the power that based on the nuclear fission reaction. The components of a nuclear reactor is that the basic fuel is used as uranium, the moderator, control rods, coolant, pressure vessels or pressure tubes, steam generators, containments and shielding. These are the components of the nuclear reactor. Here is a schematic diagram of a nuclear power plant that show a complete combination of a nuclear power reactors that produce nuclear energy for the further needs of the mankind, and all the components of a nuclear reactor are described here with complete labeling. Explanation. Nuclear energy is both simple and complex. Fissioning in neutron produces great heat. Heat placed in a water makes steam. Steam accelerates a turbine, which in turn powers a generator to make electricity. As a result, people can heat and cool their homes, operate their blow dryers, etc. through the nuclear energy that produced in the nuclear fission or a nuclear fusion reactions in nuclear power plants in the nuclear reactor. Nuclear power has been harnessed to make devastating bombs that can level cities, states, and countries. Nuclear energy can only be managed with human assistance and creativity, and yet the limitations inherent in human ingenuity have led to the tremendous accidents which have made many sick. Here's the difference between a nuclear fission reaction energy and a nuclear fusion energy that produced in their respective nuclear reactors. The first one is that the nuclear fission energy. In a fission reactor, large fissile atomic nucleus such as uranium and plutonium undergo nuclear fission reaction. When they absorb neutron and heavy atom splits into two or more lighter nuclei, release energy and a gamma radiation. In a nuclear fusion energy, nuclear reactors are the fusion nuclear reactors in which the two atoms join together into one atom without absorbing any neutron. Then the nuclear fission energy is the energy in the fission reactor. The produced energy is 1 megawatt per day, and in a nuclear fusion energy, the nuclear reactor, the produced energy is 10 megawatt per day. In a nuclear fission energy in the fission nuclear reactors, the reaction once started, it initiates the chain reaction during the production of a nuclear fission energy. And in the nuclear fusion energy, during the production of nuclear fusion energy, there is no chain reaction in the fusion nuclear reactors. In a fusion, the cost of the fission nuclear reactor is $6 to $9 billion for the nuclear fission energy, and the cost of a fusion nuclear reactor is more than the fission energy reactors, is that the $22 billion for a nuclear fusion energy, for the production of a nuclear fusion energy. The furthermore differences between a nuclear fission and a nuclear fusion energy is that nuclear fission is a chain reaction. Only under controlled conditions we can harvest the energy of a fission, and in a nuclear fusion energy, whereas the nuclear fusion is not a chain reaction, once we disrupt it, the process comes to a halt. And in a nuclear fission energy, in the production of the nuclear fission energy, more radioactive waste is produced, and in the nuclear fusion energy, less radioactive substances is produced in a reactor, in a nuclear fusion reactor. So the less radioactive substances are produced in a nuclear fusion reaction. Some advantages and disadvantages about the nuclear energy. There are some advantages in the production of a nuclear energy. The first one is that there is a zero emission of greenhouse gases during the production of a nuclear energy. Second, nuclear power plant use less fuel than fossil fuels for generation of a nuclear energy. The third one is that the plants almost never experience any problem if not from human error, which almost never happen anywhere because only 10 people are required to operate the power plants. The fourth one, a small amount of a matter creates a large amount of energy, like uranium or a plutonium, thorium we use as a fuel to generate a large amount of or a huge amount of energy with a less fuel consumption. The fifth one is that the nuclear energy is a powerful and efficient source of energy because no greenhouse gases are released during this reaction, and a cheap source of electricity because small amount of fuel is used to generate a huge amount of the energy. Absence of exhaust gases, so there is no air pollution in the environment due to the production of nuclear energy. And the last one is that a lot of energy is generated through a single power plant. Benefits of nuclear energy more than electricity is that the nuclear energy extends far beyond carbon-free electricity too. Nuclear power, space exploration, sterilizes medical equipment, provides potable water through desalination, supplies radioisotopes for cancer treatment, and much more. And very radioactive like iodine 131 are used for the goiter treatment, and many more isotopes are used in the medical field for the treatment of many diseases. Some disadvantages related to the nuclear energy is that nuclear power plants are more expensive to build and maintain. The second one is that waste products are very dangerous in power plant and it carefully stored for a long period of time because the waste products are released during the nuclear energy is the radioactive, so that the radiations released during the emission of radioisotopes are very dangerous for the human life and for the environment, and the nuclear waste stay toxic for thousands of the years. That is the reason because their lifetimes are too long for breakdown into further nucleons or stable isotopes or stable elements, so the nuclear waste is very dangerous. The disadvantages or furthermore disadvantages are there is no adequate and a long-term storage for the radioactive substances that produced during the nuclear reactor, and the uranium is non-renewable source that eventually be used up because there is uranium is not producing furthermore like oxygen, so that uranium is a non-renewable source. Here are the countries that use nuclear energy, in which United States, France, Russia, Japan, Germany, South Korea, Ukraine, Canada, United Kingdom, China, Taiwan, Spain, Holland, America. These are the countries that use nuclear energy. Here are some more countries that use nuclear energy, in which Pakistan, Switzerland, India, South Africa, Finland, Belgium, Hungary, and more countries, and furthermore countries that use nuclear energy as a source of our energy production. If you completely listen the lecture, then you are able to answer these questions. After reading the question number 1, I take a pause of 5 seconds, then you have to answer it. If not, then I answer you. For the first one is that which nuclear reaction produce more energy? The 5-minute pause. The answer of this question is that the nuclear fusion reaction produces more energy. And the second question is that the nuclear energy is measured in the unit of the nuclear energy is that. The answer of this question is that the unit that in which we measure the nuclear energy is mega electron volt. The last question from the topic is that the total energy released in a fission of the uranium is. 5-minute pause for answer. The answer of this question is option C. The 199 mega electron volt energy is released in the fission of a uranium. Here are some references related to the topic of the nuclear energy. If you like this video, then you have to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for listening and watching.